equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. Replacing the engine in your Silvercrest vehicle can seem daunting, but with the right tools and guidance, it can be a manageable task. Let's dive into the process step by step. First, gather your tools. You will need a socket set, screwdrivers, pliers, an engine hoist, and a torque wrench. Make sure you have a clean workspace to keep everything organized. It's essential to have a good set of gloves and safety goggles to protect yourself during the process. Begin by disconnecting the battery. This is crucial to prevent any electrical issues while you work. Next, drain the engine oil and coolant. Use a container to catch the fluids and dispose of them properly. Remember, safety first. Now, let's remove the engine components. Start with the air intake system. Unscrew the clamps and gently pull the intake off. Keep track of all screws and components. A magnetic tray can be very handy here. Next, disconnect the fuel lines. Be cautious as there may be residual fuel. If you're unsure about handling this, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, so don't hesitate to reach out. Once the fuel lines are disconnected, remove the exhaust manifold. This may require some extra effort, as rust can make the bolt stubborn. Use penetrating oil if necessary. After that, you can start unbolting the engine from the engine mounts. Make sure to support the engine with the hoist before fully removing the last bolts. At this point, it's a good idea to clean the engine bay. Use a degreaser and a brush to remove any grime. A clean workspace not only looks better but also helps in identifying any potential issues later on. Now, it's time to lift the old engine out. Carefully maneuver it with the hoist, ensuring you have a clear path. Once it's out, inspect the engine mounts and replace them if necessary. If you reckon this is too hard, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, making it easier for you to get professional help. With the old engine out, it's time to prepare the new engine. Check all gaskets and seals, replacing any that look worn. This will save you from leaks down the line. Position the new engine in the engine bay, aligning it with the mounts. Secure the engine with the bolts, using a torque wrench to ensure they are tightened to the manufacturer's specifications. Reconnect the exhaust manifold, fuel lines, and air intake system in reverse order of removal. Don't forget to reconnect the battery and refill the engine oil and coolant. Finally, start the engine and let it idle for a few minutes. Check for any leaks and listen for unusual noises. If everything sounds good, you've successfully replaced your engine. If you need assistance or a quote before repair, feel free to contact us. We are here to help you every step of the way. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.